So this is for class ninth. Okay, English grammar. So you can take down the question. Choose and write correct words to complete the following sentences. I can take down the question. This is dash best movie I have ever seen. So which is the correct option? This is the best. Okay. So you can write down this is the best movie. So option C is the correct option, right? Okay, so I can write down this is the best movie I had ever seen. Second question is dash pushed to be the first one into the bus. Okay, everyone. So option C is the correct option. Okay, so everyone. Okay, so here you have to write down everyone pushed to be the first one into the bus. Copy next question. She did not sing well dash she had a sore throat. Okay, so I'll have to choose whichever is correct option. Okay, she did not sing well because, okay, because she had a sore throat. So option D was the correct option. So let me mark also over here. Next question is respect towards the elderly is dash duty, our duty. Okay, so option is the correct option. Okay, so we have to respect towards the elderly is our duty. Okay, so you can write down this. Thanks for watching.